You will potentially need a pair of long nose pliers. Firstly, turn off and eliminate all power to your oven. Remove any racks and trays from the bottom oven. Then carefully unclip the thermostat capillary tube from the back of the oven. Either by hand or with your long nose pliers, remove the thermostat clip spring that needs replacing. Now with your new thermostat clip spring, slot it into the hole as shown, making sure it's the correct way for the thermostat capillary tube to attach. You can then reattach the thermostat capillary tube, making sure it's connected and in place. Reinsert any racks and trays that you removed, and that's it, your new thermostat clip spring is all set to go.